Okay, so we'll draw this tangential line, okay, up to this outer circle. So this is front view. Now we'll draw its top view. Now from the top side, which surfaces are visible? This surface is visible and this surface is visible. So first we'll draw this surface. Now see, this is 30 and this dimension is equal to the diameter of this outer circle, so it's 40 mm. Okay, so that 40 mm we have in a front view, so we'll project it down, right? 40 mm, right, outer circle diameter. So we get that 40 mm distance, and this is 30, so we'll draw this. Okay, so this is 40 by 30. Then from the top side, this internal hole is not visible, so for that you have to draw hidden lines. So project that internal circle, so draw hidden line for that circle. Okay, this is center line for it. Okay, then we'll draw this surface. This width is 16, so from here 16 mm, right? This surface is up to here, up to here, so we'll project that point down, and up to that line we'll draw this surface, right? From here also we'll project that point downward, so this surface, right? So this edge is not there, right? So our this is dashed line or a hidden line. Okay, then we'll draw this surface. Okay, then now this is 52, this distance is 52 and this is 68, this is 68. So from here you have to mark that 52 mm distance. That 52 mm distance is nothing but this distance, right? This is 16, this is 52. Now we'll draw this hole. This hole is visible from the top side, so first we'll mark its center. So you have that center lines in a front view, right? This center line and this center line, we'll project it down, right? Okay, now from this edge, right, that this center line, okay, from this edge it is at a 26 mm distance. Okay, so from this edge you have to mark 26 mm distance in this direction and mark its this center line, right? Okay, now take a rounder. This radius is 8 mm, so put your rounder here, draw a half circle of 8 mm radius. Also you have to put your rounder here, draw a circle of 8 mm radius, then join this. Okay, and you have to draw these edges like this. Okay, so this is your top view. Now in a top view, see, this is the whole edge, right? This is whole edge, this overlap with this, right? So this edge nothing but this edge. So now at the middle also that there this edge is there, so from here you have to draw hidden line, right? This edge is overlap with this edges, so we draw it as a dark because these surfaces are visible, but from here this edge is not visible, so for that we draw hidden line for it. Now we'll draw its side view. Now in a side, the left hand side, you have to draw the sectional front view along sectional plane BB. See, this is the BB plane. See, BB. So this is BB plane. So we are cutting this object like this. So first we will draw the normal left hand side view. Okay, so this is the left hand side view. So this surface is visible, this surface is visible, and this portion is visible. So first we will draw this 68 by 16. So 68 already we have here. right? Already we have 68 mm here, that's 16 mm in a front view, so we'll project it. So we'll project it. So this is 16. Okay, then we'll draw this surface, so we'll project it from front view, right? This portion in a top view is this, so you'll get this 30 mm, right? We project this 40 mm, right? This 40 mm and this is 30, so 40 mm and 30 from the 30 mm from the top view. So we'll project that 30 mm like this. Okay, so this is 40 and this is 30. Now we'll draw this. Okay, now from the left hand side view, this hole is not visible. For that you have to draw hidden lines. So internal hole we can project from the front view, and we can draw hidden line for it. Okay, draw the center line. Okay, then we'll draw this surface. Width is 16 mm. You have 16 mm here also, so you can project it. Okay, so from here the 16 mm, right? It starts from here, so 16 mm up to, yes, up to here, right? Up to the tangential point. Okay. Now from the left hand side view, from the left hand side, this hole is not visible, so height of this hole or depth of this hole is this, which you'll get from the front view, and you have its other dimension, right? This hole, so we'll project it like this. Okay, so in this portion there are hidden lines for that hole, correct? Now you have to draw sectional view, right? So in a sectional view, left hand side view, we'll cut our object the middle, right, through this BB plane. See, BB plane is like this, it is shown by this center line, right? And they mentioned it as a BB. So we remove half portion of this object, so we remove this front portion and we left this half portion only, and then we draw its sectional view. So you have to show the hidden in a sectional view, don't show hidden line. Okay, and wherever we cut the surface of an object due to that cutting plane, there you have to show the hatching lines. Okay, there you have to show hatching lines. So hidden, when you cut this object at the middle, see, when you cut this object at the middle, this surface is cut by the plane, this surface is also cut by the plane, right? So now this, there is a hole, so in this portion there will be no hatching lines. Why? Because there is no material, so no surface is cut by the plane, so only here cuts by the cutting plane. So you have to draw this hatching line. These hatching lines are parallel to each other, right? It is inclined at a 45 degree, and distance between two hatching lines is approximate 2 mm. Okay, okay, so this surface and this surface is cut by the cutting plane. Then here there is a hole, so we are not showing here the hatching line, so this edge will be not there now, right? Right, so this surface is also cut by the cutting plane, so here also there are hatching lines, right? Then we cut here also, so here also there are cutting uh, hatching lines. Now here again in this portion there is hole, so no material. Okay, so, right, so I am making it a this hidden line as a dark line because these are the visible when you cut this object at the middle, right? So here there is a hole, here there is a hole, so there is no material, so there is no surface which is cut by the cutting plane, so there are no hatching lines. So now this is the complete left hand side, sectional left hand side view along the plane BB, correct? Now we'll give all the dimensions, remaining dimension in a top view. This is also 68, right? This radius is 8. This dimension is 16. This is 16. Then this is 26, right? This is 30. Okay, so this is the solution. This is front view, this is top view, and this is left hand side view, sorry, sectional left hand side, sectional left hand side. Okay, thank you.